At Memorial Hospital of Martinsville in Henry County, we understand the power of home, knowing that Memorial Hospital brings the latest technology and the best medical professionals together for you, our families, friends, and neighbors. Right here in Martinsville, it's sometimes the best medicine. When you need cardiac care, time is critical. Our expert cardiologists are just moments away, meaning better outcomes for you and your heart. The best in care, the closeness of family and friends. That's the power.
Our goal was to help 2,000 people. I feel like we have pretty much hit that goal. Our last time that we pulled reports, we were around 1,800. So hopefully we've hit our goal of 2,000, and then we'll continue doing tax returns until the end of May. So, we encourage people to come out. The Commissioner of Revenue is one of our partners, and they file tax returns till the end of May. First, our Positive Choices for Youth Rally is going to take place, and the United Way is partnering with Piedmont Community Services and their Chill Youth Task Force. And so what the Youth Rally is, it's an opportunity for middle school students to experience life in a night. It's going to be a real-life maze with consequences, financial responsibilities. When these kids come in here, they're going to act as high school seniors. And the high school chill members have created this simulated experience where they're seniors in high school. They will have to experience different decisions, choices, going to parties, having shopping, DMV, car, all of the things that a high school senior would need in their life. And then they're going to be given responsibilities. They're going to be given consequences based on those things. Throughout the maze, they'll go to each different booth, and each booth will have a game or an activity that they'll play to get a consequence, and those consequences have costs attached to them. At the end of the maze, the United Way volunteers that we have in our financial stability initiatives, they're going to help them create that budget, subtract all of their expenses, figure out where they are, as far as how they've spent their money, and to really talk to them about what are some of the things that they're going to have to think about when they are in high school. What are some of the things that they can do to be more responsible? And the whole outcome of that is that if students really understand the personal responsibility that they have with their money, with their life, and the risk associated with some of the decisions that they make, that they're more likely to make a more positive decision that benefits them in the long run.
For over 33 years, I had the honor and privilege of serving citizens of Martinsville and Henry County when I was employed with the Martinsville Police Department. The last year and a half, I've been employed with Collins McKee Stone, the community funeral homes, and I have really enjoyed that opportunity to continue serving our citizens, and I would very much welcome the opportunity to serve you in the future.
At Collins McKee Stone and Community Funeral Homes, we have a professional staff to serve you and your family.